In today's fast-paced world, convenience and technology are the key drivers of modern lifestyles. People want products that are affordable, efficient, and provide a seamless user experience. Lumary, a provider of high-end smart lifestyle, is leading the way in the space. With a focus on smart lighting products, Lumary is a tech-led, people-oriented company that is revolutionizing the way we interact with our homes. Their products are designed to combine voice assistants and mobile applications to provide a more convenient and efficient user experience. With easy and quick installation, Lumary's smart products are setting new standards in the smart home industry. Their commitment to creating a smart home brand that is affordable and easy to use has led them to develop a range of products that are designed to meet the needs of modern consumers. From smart LED bulbs and downlights to smart light switches and garage door openers, Lumary has a solution for all your smart home needs. As a company that is young and dynamic, Lumary is poised to make a significant impact on the smart home industry. Their focus on innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction is what sets them apart from the competition. Whether you want to decorate your dream gaming room or create a romantic, cozy atmosphere in the living area, everything is possible with Lumary. Their journey to success began more than a decade ago when they started as an OEM/ODM service provider for some of the world's leading brands and supermarkets. The founder and CEO of Lumary, Johnny Wu, always had a passion for technology and innovation. With years of experience in the industry, he had a keen eye for recognizing gaps in the market and identifying areas where Lumary could make a difference. It was during their collaborations with these leading brands that Lumary saw a significant problem in the industry: high prices and a lack of professionalism when it came to after-sales services. Despite their successful collaborations with these brands, Lumary knew that they could do better. They had the knowledge and experience to create top-quality products that would be affordable, reliable, and easy to use. And so they began to put their accumulated knowledge and experience to good use by establishing their own brand in 2017. With a deep sense of responsibility to do better for the consumers, Lumary set out to revolutionize the smart home technology industry. They leveraged their accumulated patents in the field of smart home technology to create innovative products that make daily life easier for their customers. Lumary's product line includes smart lighting, smart switches, smart plugs, and security systems that can be controlled with a single app, making it easy for users to manage their homes from anywhere. But Lumary's success didn't come overnight. The company had to face numerous challenges and obstacles along the way. However, their commitment to quality and innovation has helped them overcome these hurdles and emerge as one of the leading players in the industry. In a world that is constantly evolving, Lumary has emerged as a young and dynamic company that is making strides through innovations. Their brand logo, a sun rising from sea level, signifies their vision to create products that illuminate and brighten the lives of their customers. Founded in 2017, Lumary started working on their app and launched BLE Mesh Smart Lighting that same year. The following year, they got Google Assistant and Works with Alexa certified and released the first version of their app, the Lumary Home app. They also launched their Wi-Fi Smart LED Strip Lights series in 2018, which quickly became a hit among customers. In 2019, Lumary expanded their range of smart products and launched a series of Wi-Fi products that included smart light switches, dimmer switches, in-wall outlets, and bulbs. This was a significant milestone for the company as they were able to establish themselves as a leading provider of smart home products. Later in 2020, Lumary released a new version of their app, which included a one-click link Alexa function, making it easier for customers to control their smart home devices. This was yet another example of Lumary's commitment to improving the user experience and making their products more accessible. In 2021, Lumary took a step further and launched a line of security products such as footlight cams, nanny cams, and more. This was a strategic move as it allowed them to cater to the growing demand for smart home security solutions. And in 2022, they launched the Lumary App Mall, which allows customers to shop for Lumary products more convenient and get exclusive discounts. This move further cements Lumary's position as a company that is committed to improving the user experience and making smart home technology more accessible to everyone. But perhaps the most revolutionary product that Lumary launched was in 2023, the Lumary RGB AI Smart Recessed Light with Gradient Auxiliary Light. This product showcased Lumary's commitment to innovation and their ability to develop products that push the boundaries of what is possible. One of its most exciting features is the RGB AI technology that's capable of controlling the color of every LED with precision, allowing it to emit multiple colors at the same time and deliver a cool rainbow-like lighting effect. You can even control each section individually and use the one-click color change feature to create unique lighting effects. Over the years, Lumary has earned several accolades for their innovations. Their focus on R&D, design, and production capacity has enabled them to accumulate more than 400 patents in the field of smart home technology. This has allowed them to establish themselves as a leading provider of smart home products that are affordable, easy to use, and of the highest quality. Lumary, the champion of innovation, has won the hearts of consumers for bringing the quality of Philips at a fraction of the cost. Today, Lumary is a household name and is known for its affordable, high-quality, and easy-to-use smart home products. They have proven that they have the knowledge, experience, and commitment to create innovative products that meet the needs of their customers. And with a vision to continue to innovate and make a difference in the industry, Lumary is set to become a major player in the world of smart home technology for years to come.